The Pantone Color of the Year, Viva Magenta, is described as being brave and fearless. That means you can do anything you want creatively with a variety of different flowers using that Pantone Viva Magenta. Think tints, tones, shades. Think about exotic shapes and luxurious roses. They all pair well in this arrangement. The flowers, everything from our friends at florabundance.com, was so much fun. I just went through the site looking through reds and greens because they're complementary colors. Found garden roses, spray roses, leucadendron, protea, grevillea, pepperberry. That's more of an orangey red, but it will blend so well. And a little bit of nandina, just to add a muted touch that also blends with that Viva Magenta. I'm going to start with my heaviest things, the protea, one shadowed behind the other, because I want to keep it centered so that the bulk of the design carries right through there. Then adding in the grevillea to get a little bit of substance spreading outward, turning it, spiraling. Then coming in with a bit of the leucadendron, another one that's heavy, and turning. And as I work with the spiral, keeping track of where the protea are, I don't want them to shift out of the center. Coming back with the pepperberry and letting it extend. So it's a little bit more leggy, more grevillea. And lastly, tucking in the nandina, letting it spread out and balance the pepperberry. Once the base is solid, I can go back and weave in flowers, beautiful garden roses, and give it a twist, a spray rose. You can see how the colors complement each other, from the red to a bluer red, a little bit of alstroemeria, maybe a second one, tucking it in at the same time, then turning, looking at the colors, balancing them. If I've got red over here, bringing some of the red over to this side. Give the protea a little tug so it's not too low. Then another spray rose, feeding it in and giving it a turn. Add one more spray rose over here, getting a little more fullness, and the alstroemeria, and then turning again. And then I find it helpful to stop and look in a mirror to see if you like the placement, make sure you're balanced, and that you have flowers everywhere you want them. As you finish, tuck in your last stem, making sure you still spiral around. Give it a little bit more looseness. Decide if you need another pepperberry, maybe having another one come out to the side. A little bit more grevillea. Then tie it off with bind wire and cut it to fit your base. The recipe, everything from our friends at florabundance.com, all looking like that beautiful Viva Magenta. Tints, tones, and shades, variations on the hue. I used 5 garden roses, 5 spray roses, 5 leucadendron, and 5 alstroemeria. Yes, I was consistent. Then 2 protea and 2 pepperberry, with just a bit of grevillea and nandina for the base. The Pantone Color of the Year, Viva Magenta, is a favorite. There are so many flowers to work with. You'll find more creative inspiration and yes, more Color of the Year videos on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. For now, it's your turn. Find all your most favorite Viva Magenta flowers, create a bouquet, then be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.